myself in between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It started fun, but now I'm in too deep into this flow. A zero-sum game that I will lose. There's no zipping past it.
Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing amazing. In today's cleaning video, we are going to be cleaning, decluttering, and organizing this space. So if you are in need of some serious cleaning motivation today, this is the perfect video for you. And we are gonna go ahead and just jump right in.
Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove.
Let me know in the comments if you are cleaning or decluttering and organizing with me today. If you are decluttering a space, let us know which space. And if you have a space like this is a perfect time to go ahead and set me up on your TV or your iPad or whatever device you have and just tackle that space. This is a huge transformation, you guys. I got rid of a lot of things and just found a place and a home for a lot of the things that were inside this closet. So it was a huge transformation and I can't wait for you guys to see the end result.
Be one of the things I we don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. 'Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins.
So I wanted to go ahead and follow up with you guys and let you guys know about my health, because a few months ago I did share that with you guys about what was going on with me, how I was sick for about 4 months, and you guys have continuously reached out to me and sent me prayers and just positive vibes and all of that stuff. So I wanted to let you know that today when you're watching this video, I am going to be having a colonoscopy done so we can check things out and make sure everything's okay. The GI doctor just wanted me to do that so they can see what's going on. So I felt like I needed to let you guys know. I did update you guys over on Instagram, but I know not all of you guys are over there. And so many of you guys check in with me over the past few months to see how things are going. So that's what's going on. And I just thought I would let you guys know and keep you guys updated. And I am so grateful and thankful for your guys' prayers and well wishes. I think you guys are amazing and you guys truly make my day every time I read your comments.
Day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy.
So we got everything out of the closet and I was trying to show you guys how far the closet goes back, and it really goes far back and around that corner. So all I'm doing now is going ahead and just cleaning the walls. They were so dirty. So I just went in with a hot soapy towel, and then now I'm going to go ahead and just give the closet a good vacuum because there was all types of things in there.
The things I love, the things I love, 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 the things I love, the things I love. How we want the things I love, the things I love.
You and me stuck on the ocean now. Nothing but waves and this filling in. I wanna dry up, but you just keep on going, don't you? I don't even know how we got here. All my reasoning have disappeared. I wanna bury the hatchet and find the way back to our home, our home, our home. We don't have to drift inside.
So I was so excited about this purchase. My husband was too, because we could not see in the very back here. It is actually really dark and it's hard to see back here. So we did decide to go ahead and pick up some LED lights from Amazon. We really like these. They just have a little click push button and you just go ahead and click it and it comes on. We did get the warm white, which we like because it's kind of cozy vibes in there if you want to like hang out in there. I know Ava likes to crawl in the space back there and it's super cute. So we thought that would be a fun little add-on and we'd be able to see better when we want to go back in there. Another thing I'm really excited about is finally getting some of these cube shelves in our closet. I've actually been wanting to do it for a while, so I finally went ahead and did it. This cube organizer is actually from Target. It was super easy to put together. At first I thought I was going to have a problem with it, but I didn't. It was really easy. So definitely doable, and it was affordable. So I will have a link in the description box. But I went ahead and got this different type of shape because of the shape of our closet. It kind of goes down a little bit, so you're able to put some things on top of the little shelf area, but then also add cubes and use it for storage. So that's what I went ahead and did. Then I purchased the cube organizers from Amazon, which I will show you guys here in a second.
Chasing all that surplus, you were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not have. Chasing all that we don't have. Chasing all that we do not have. We do not all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not have. Chasing all that we don't have. Chasing all that we do not have. We do not. I always knew we could do so many great things. So believe in me. I believe in you. And I just feel that this will be an upswing. So hear me out. I know we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all that
We can't pretend that we're just friends yet, but who are we kidding? We can't pretend that.
So a couple of weeks ago, I decided to go to the Container Store and see what they had. It was my first visit there. I felt like I was in organization heaven. I posted it on my Instagram a couple of weeks ago. I posted a reel, and a lot of you guys had said that you loved going there, and then a lot of you guys said you've never been there neither. So it was a really fun experience, and I do feel that a lot of their things were kind of pricey that I could find for a more affordable price at other places. Then there were some really fun things there that I haven't seen before, and they just had a huge variety. So I went ahead and just picked up some hooks, just some sturdy hooks, so I can hang our purses and backpack and hats and things like that on the wall.
Only you know me to the rhythm. We can't pretend that we have changed yet, but who are we kidding? We can't pretend that we feel nothing and keep it hidden now.
So now to the fun part, haha. So now I have to go through everything and declutter and get rid of things, you guys. There were a lot of empty boxes, which that really helped because we know all of that just goes in recycle, super easy. But there were a lot of other things I needed to go through and decide what I needed to just go ahead and let go and find an actual home for that item. So that's what we're doing here. We're gonna go ahead and start decluttering and organizing.
Only you know me to the rhythm. Only you know me to the rhythm. Only you know me to the rhythm. Only you know me to the rhythm.
I've seen those faces, I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone in denial. 'Cause you want dollar bills right now, but you gotta work real hard. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said,
if you didn't know, I am running my monthly giveaway. I posted it 2 videos back. I will leave the link for that video down below in the description box. So if you want to go and enter this month's giveaway, definitely go and check it out. I'm doing monthly giveaways on my channel every month this year to give back to you guys. So make sure you have your bell notifications turned on so you don't miss any of those videos.
you can make it. You had great patience, but something knocked you out. You felt your limitations and filled your mind with doubt. You wanna stay chill right now and don't let your eyes off the prize. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said, see it in your mind, trust that, have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not, says who.
So what I'm doing here is actually putting some of our stuff that needs to go upstairs in our rooms. I'm putting it in this bin just to take it all upstairs at once.
And I said, see it in your mind, trust that, have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not, says who. Yeah, you can make it too. If not, says who. You can make it. If not, says who. Yeah, you can make it too. If not, says who.
So I do have a little bit of a collection. I love my cleaning machines. This Shark vacuum is our oldest vacuum that I'm probably going to end up just donating. I never use it. It is a good vacuum, but it's super heavy. I'm really happy that I finally decluttered this closet because now I actually have a space for my cleaning machines.
Much I love you. You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever.
So I'm just giving you a quick overview on what I put in the cubes for now. I will be adding more now that we have this extra storage space. Things can go in here and be categorized a little bit better, but for now, this is what I have.
Do you know how much I love you? I put your
And then my collection of throw pillows, I went ahead and put back there, but in front I have another bin of storage, and then that top bin is all of my workout equipment. I'm so happy that I got this done today. It feels so good, you guys. So if you have a space like this, you guys, just remember it might look overwhelming at first, but once you get done, it is so rewarding. I'm going to get a organizer for my wrapping paper, and then also this is all going to donations. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I love you guys so much. If you can give me a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. Also, comment down below and say hi. If you are new, consider subscribing, and I will see all of you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys.
Forever.